Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's Christmas Eve, which means that we are one step closer to unboxing day number 25, the very sparkly golden box inside my hashtag gifted LookFantastic advent calendar. I'm just so excited to get in the festivities, eat a lot of food and just be with family and just celebrating what is going to be an unconventional way this year. But with all that aside, let's get cracking with unboxing door number 24. This is a Lord & Berry Perfect Brow Magic Pencil Definer. And this is in the shade Brunette, which is not my shade at all. Comes with a very nice spoolie on the end. And then a very, very brown pencil right there. I don't think that I'm going to be able to get away with using this. But I must say it does draw a very nice brush stroke, like... I must say it does do a good job. You can sort of deepen the lines or you can keep them very, very light and build up. And then you've got a very, very good spoolie on the end. I can't complain about that spoolie at all. Lord & Berry products to me are very hit and miss. Seem to get them a lot in anything associated with advent calendars or beauty subscription boxes. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen them outside of a beauty subscription box. I'm not the biggest fan of their products. I don't know why, I'm just not. So I'm a little bit disappointed to get this. As I think I mentioned last year, I got like I think it was either an eyeshadow pencil, and I can't stand those things, or it was their black eyeliner kohl pencil. And again, really, I think everyone has that kind of staple product already in their makeup kit, whether you're a novice or a makeup artist. So that was a little bit disappointing, but I must say it does draw on very, very nicely and it's buildable. This will be something that I re-gift to someone or give away because it is not my shade, which is the disappointing thing about getting anything that is related to your hair colour within these beauty advent calendars. But tune back in again tomorrow because we will be unboxing the final box, which is the golden box in door number 25. Merry Christmas. Tune in again tomorrow if you have chance. If not, check back again later. Please stay safe, have a wonderful day tomorrow, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.